Kids Craft and Stitch monthly subscription box for ages 10 to 12. The first thing in your box is going to be a card that tells you what types of crafts you're going to receive. If you flip this over, you've got a coloring picture that you can color. Because this card has got a little coating on it, you're going to want to use colored pencils for this instead of crayons or markers. And inside we do include some colored pencils for you, so you're all set there. So that's your first thing. As we open up the box, let me show you the bonus pack right away. So every box, when you start a subscription, you're going to get a bonus pack in your first box. So you're going to want to keep this for future boxes. It's all reusable. You're going to get a pair of scissors, you're going to get a 12-pack of colored pencils, and a pencil sharpener for your pencils. And then you can keep any other supplies that you get. If there's needles or these little tiny colored pencils or whatever else comes in your kit that you want to keep, you can keep in there. So that'll be handy. Okay, first thing we have here for the 10 to 12 ages is a diamond dots kit. These are fun and they're really becoming popular. So I thought I would include this in this month's box. And then we have Make It and Bakit. These have been around forever, since I was little even. And they're still so popular. So you've got your own Make It and Bakit kit in there. We've got a colored pencil, color by number kit. It's going to look like this. Basically tells you what colors each number is, and the picture is numbered in there, obviously. It comes with 12 little pencils here. These are little, and I've never used them. I don't know how comfortable they are to use them, but you do have the larger colored pencils in your bonus pack, so you can switch those in and out if you'd like. Okay, and then your sewing craft for this month is a needlepoint. This is a narwhal, which I thought was really cute, and if you need some instruction on this, I'm gonna do a video on this just to kind of give you some more tips if you've never done a needlepoint before. It's pretty easy, and this will turn out really nice for you. So you're gonna get the needlepoint kit, you're gonna get the color by number, Make It and Bake It, and the diamond dots. And then you've got your bonus kit. And your picture, your card, and then up here you've got a gift tag set. So if you make any of these items and you're just don't want to keep them, or you want to give them to someone else that might really enjoy them, you can make your own gift tags. And I have a set here. Move that out of the way. So basically it's every set. This is cats, and it's actually for next month, but that's a pack of stickers, and then each one of these gift tags here, they're double-sided, they're different colors, so you pick the color you want, add some stickers to it, write to and from on there, and you have your own gift tag set. Okay, and that was the 10 to 12-year-old monthly subscription box.